Hello, this is Blue Diamond Coasters, and that is Rapterra, the brand new wing coaster for King's Dominion for 2025. And I am actually here at the Media Day. I was invited as media, very similar to last year with Loch Ness Monster. I'm actually here with the American Coaster Enthusiasts just to help fill up the trains for the media, make the trains look full, all nice. But they allowed me to also film my experience here, so I get to share my very first rides on Rapterra, and I'm really looking forward to it. Now, this isn't my first time seeing Rapterra. I was actually here about a month ago for the Jeepers It's Winter event. We got to kind of tour this area, and like I said in that video, I just love the way that this ride interacts with the area. I mean, literally, it's like right above me, and even the queue line looks really great from what I saw a month ago. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how the ride rides. So in a little bit, I'm gonna figure out what exactly I have to do with the coaster enthusiasts, and then we'll be heading on. Just got my first ride on Rapterra. They actually just now break for lunch for a little bit, so got on it just in time. I rode it in the back left wing, and that was pretty good. I really like that. It was a bit rattly, but that might have just been because I was on the outside seat and in the back row. So I'm definitely gonna try to get some more rides on it later. But overall, yeah, that was a solid ride. It's very good, pretty good. That's as much as I can say right now. I'm gonna need some more rides to get my full thoughts on it, but initial thoughts, pretty good. As going by, you can see some of the stuff they've added in this queue line. Just some stuff about volcanoes, equipment, but they have actually some pretty cool Easter eggs. Over here you have some stuff for Flight of Fear, so I guess they're gonna actually make it so that the Flight of Fear ride is just aliens in the jungle. Stuff right here, and then here's some pretty actually cool stuff. So you have stuff for Volcano, kind of see through the metal grate, Last Eruption 2018, and then references to Smurf Mountain and the Haunted River and the Lost World. All the old rides used to be within the Volcano Mountain, so that's pretty cool that they were able to kind of acknowledge the previous ride. checking out the gift shop at the exit for Rapterra, and they have not only Rapterra nano coasters, but also Pantherian nano coasters. Now, I already have one for Intimidator 305, but I don't know if I should get one for Pantherian just to match the new colors. Fortunately, I can't get them today just because they're just kind of for display now, but once I come here during the regular season, I'm definitely going to pick up at least the Rapterra one. Alright, so I realize I haven't really been vlogging much. I think I was just filming the ride. But the media day actually just wrapped up. I was able to get a total of 9 rides on Rapterra. Multiple on each side and also different seats. And yeah, there's definitely a rattle. Especially the further back in the train you go, the rattle kind of gets a bit more noticeable. And also if you're on the outside seats. Also, hold on one second. Just noticing, seeing the Eiffel Tower elevator is going down, so hopefully that'll finally be back open. Anyway, back to Rapterra. The positives, definitely the ride area and the queue. I mean, the one downside of the queue is there isn't really much shade or there's no misters yet, but I love how the queue is just all in the middle of the ride, so as you're waiting in line, you can watch as the ride goes around you and the launch go by. Not to mention the way the ride interacts with the area of the park in Jungle X-pedition. I mean, I'm just kind of in front of the ride entrance, and literally right above me is the kind of cut back first turn element. So this ride is going to be just so much of a great ride to watch. And the ride itself is pretty good. The launch is great. I kind of like how it's basically Volcano's launch, where the back car hasn't fully made the turn yet and it already hits the launch. And it's a decently forceful launch. I haven't done Thunderbird yet at Holiday World, so I can't really compare it with that one. But the launch does have a bit of a rattle, especially as you go down it, and there's a lot of other parts of the ride where you kind of feel the train shaking a bit. But the ride overall is still really, really solid. Great hang time, even some great airtime moments on the cutback, and then this little kind of turn over here, and the hill closer towards the end of the ride. That gives really, really great airtime. And I definitely think this is maybe third best in the park. I mean, I knew this ride wasn't going to top I-305 or Pantherian and Twisted Timbers, but it does a really great job of kind of rounding out the lineup. So just to wrap things up, huge thanks to the American Coast Enthusiasts and Kings Dominion for having us out here. Had a great time getting to experience this ride early and do kind of a bit of media stuff for it. Huge shout out also to, I believe it's Alpha Omega Productions. They were the crew kind of helping with the filming and directing and all the camera mounts for the ride, and they were doing a really great job. Make sure you do the usual. If you like this video, give it a like. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, including ones from Kings Dominion, be sure to subscribe to Blue Diamond Coasters. Be sure to also follow at Blue Diamond Coasters on both Instagram and TikTok, if TikTok is still around. And until next time, this is Blue Diamond Coasters. Later.